let's create some Python dictionaries together, open up a new Colab notebook, and we're going to call this one music genres. Okay, so what's a dictionary? A dictionary in Python is something inside of squiggly brackets. Okay, that's an empty dictionary. Dictionaries typically have what are called keys and values. And so if you think of like an actual physical dictionary, well, I guess now they're all digital. When I was younger, they were physical. People would open it up, look up words. Okay, those are the keys, and the value would be the definition. Well, in programming, you could have a lot of different types of dictionaries. You could have student names. Okay, so here's a student name, Atullah. And what we're going to do is give this a value. And here the value comes after the colon, and we're going to give the genre here to be jazz. Okay? Now, dictionary entries are separated with a comma. And so when I put a comma in there, I can put in another student name. Okay? So I'll say rebel. And I will give another genre. In this case, we will say hip hop. Okay, so there are two student names with values in a dictionary. And I wanted to show you that with dictionaries, it can look clean, of course, to press return after you separate them, which is optional. So I'll press shift enter to go ahead and store this dictionary. And then we'll check the type by putting in the keyword type with music genres. And let's see what we get. Genres. And we get dict, which is short for dictionary. Okay, it's an official Python type. Now, I want to show you how to add elements to a dictionary. So this is fundamental. And so what if I want to add, a new name and genre to this dictionary? Well, what you do now is you use the square brackets, put in the name, Lizzie, and then we're going to assign it equal to the value. And that's, again, keys, values. Keys come first, like the words in the dictionary. Values, the definitions, come second. We'll say pop here. So press shift enter. And when I do that, this is going to add Lizzie and pop as a new key value pair. And we can verify this by printing out the dictionary. And there you can see the different elements. Now, these are separated with keys and values. And if we just type in the dictionary, okay, music genres, dot, using dot notation, you can see some of the different items, popping something out, clearing, and we see the keys and the values. And so if you look at dot keys, okay, these would be the student names here, and you press shift enter, you can see that it sort of shows you that they're dictionary keys. And so the way that you would actually get these keys to show up, say, in their entirety would be something like this. For key in, and then we can use this code here, music genres dot keys. And if we want to display them, we can just say print key. Okay, and that's a cleaner way of sort of going in there. You can do the same thing with the value. So for value in, music genres dot values, and once again you can then print out the value. You could do different things to it, but let's just display them, and there you can see some of the different values. So dictionaries are not ordered in Python, even though I've placed them in an order. Okay, the orders are not how dictionaries work. If you want something that's ordered, you actually want a list. Dictionaries are used when you want to assign different values to different keys, and this is sort of forms the basis of how you would do it in Python.